Hello, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to do another project. The first thing you need to do is go to MakeCode.microbit.org. Again, here are all of the projects that you've done. And today we're going to do one called Dice. It's fairly simple. I'm going to click on Start Tutorial. Now here is a video that a nice gentleman and his daughter have done, but again, I like making videos for you so you can hear my voice. We're going to click on Block, Start Tutorial. And it says we're going to turn our microbit into a dice, so I'm going to click OK. In the directions up here, it says we need 3 pieces of code, one to detect a throw or shake, another to pick a random number, and then one to show the number placed on shake block onto the editor workspace. It runs code when you shake the microbit. And again, I really like how they color code this, so the on shake is going to be found in this hot pink input section. I'm going to click next. So it says get a show number and place it inside the on shake. So I'm going to go to hot pink and I'm going to grab on shake. And then this says show number. Notice that it's blue, so I'm going to go to basic and grab the blue and put that there. I'm going to hit next. And then it says pick a random block in the show number block to pick a random number. Because again, when we roll a dice 1 through 6, a random number should appear. If you notice in the directions that the pick random is purple, it corresponds again with this part down here, the math, that is purple. And I'm going to grab a pick random and I'm going to put it inside the show number. I'm going to hit next. A typical dice shows values from 1 to 6, so in pick random, don't forget to choose the right minimum and maximum values. So on the dice, we usually see a 1, and then the highest number we normally see is a 6, unless you have a dice that has more sides than 6. Let's test it. I'm going to click shake. Okay, I get a 1. I'm going to click shake, I get a 5. Going to click shake, I get a 4. If you have a microbit, you can hit the download button and you can download this program to your microbit, and then when you shake your microbit, it should show a random number between 1 and 6. Well, I hope you have a great time with this. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.